hike in the woods on a miserable day with Kay. I think they say 30-mile-per-hour sustained winds. I think they said 60 with gusts. So we're gonna see how far we can get on this little hike. We'll see what happens. Yeah, it's not blowing too bad back here, but it's starting to snow a little bit more. Fun time to hike in the woods.
Cool, yes.
You can hear that wind picking up. Still snowing. Hopefully we find our way back.
Yeah.
There's branches all over the place already. Whew. Not bad. You got your pack. There we go. Yeah. Got a new little EDC setup here. I don't know, do a video on that at some point, but this is just day out. Sunday, like I think they said, estimating about half the area is going to be without power at some point. So why not go take a hike? Why not, right? But yeah, it's not a bad time, right?
Pretty cool.
Good.
Yeah.
Not too cold. Not yet.
Very.
Yeah. We're a little ways into it, but oh yeah. But that wind is picking up. Somewhere along the line there we had to, someone cut a path. Looks like some trees fell. Must have been last week during that other storm. But still going. Not too bad. Well, I guess it's not too bad. It's about 32 degrees, I think, but it's still snowing. Actually, snowing harder than what it looks like out there. No, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't really look like it's snowing, does it?
No, trust me, it is.
Wind's picking up though. We're getting into the winter weather advisory. Stay tuned. Now we're getting to an opening. A little bit. Have to get some video over there. Yeah, still having fun? Not bad, but the cheeks are getting rosy. Just the one that loves the winter. The other one, I don't know if she hates it. There's a big tree. A little dip over here. Yeah, I never brought you out this far, right? Me and La hiked it. Woohoo. You see it's blowing already. We'll get some good video up here for a few. Kind of an icy trail, kind of rough walk. It's just real windy. It's coming through here real hard. Oh, you like that or what? Hard to breathe. You can see that. Definitely this type of weather. I'm turning around. Ooh, baby. This kind of weather, being exposed to the elements too long, you'd be freezing to death. You need to set up some sort of shelter quick. Who knows? We'll have one of us break our leg. We still got to find a way out of here. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I knew this stuff. I knew it was going to be nasty up here. Woo! Yeah, almost probably. Look at this right now. Ta-da! Yeah, we're getting ready to start going back. It started slowing down a little bit. I wonder if you can see. I wonder how good that's going to come up in the videos. Is this like going sideways? It's so windy. Alright. Well, we'll start heading back. While we're out here, we get to look around, you know, at everything pretty much. We had this little dish. I'll turn this around. It goes like this. Another little trail up there. It wraps all the way this way. Well, I said to her, well, which way would you put the shelter if you need to put a shelter up? She said probably right over here somewhere. Which isn't too bad of a choice because all our wind's coming from that way, the south and the southwest. So a pretty good choice because you'd have that little mound to dig into or whatever, you know, dig in, put a tarp, do whatever. Plus there's not as many There's trees that are back a little bit further, might land down, but it's not going to hit you because of that hill right there. And this side over here is just like where all the snow's blowing right into, so that side over there is definitely good to learn the whole area. And then see, look, you would have had a semi-plan to go off of, right? Just in case we ever got stuck all the way out here. I don't know why we get stuck out here, but yeah. Anyways, of like what's to come and stuff. Look at that. Oh man, these things are breaking everywhere. Trees are starting to break.
Already heard a couple cracks too.
Crack, something fell over there. These trees though, I don't know if it's gonna pick up in the video. You see some, oh, I heard some more creaking back there.
That one's about to fall, I swear.
You think so?
Easily. Do you see it? Look.
We're still on our way out. Oh, shaking like that?
Yes.
We're still on our way out. You can see the camera's getting full. Okay, we'll do more in a minute. What?
Huh? I said sadly we're coming to an end.
Getting closer.
I want to stay out here too long.
You can stay out. I'll stay in the car with the heat on. No, it's not that bad. Especially when you're moving the whole time. Oh, you can't even see across that field. Looks like a white everything. Oh, gee. It's crazy.
The fence over here covered up pretty good though.
Yeah, we'll have to dive back down into the woods. That means we're almost done. I don't want to have to say goodbye. But whatever. Go home, have a fire. Let's do something, right?
Might as well.
Blistery Sunday. Good time. A lot of people are at home
Doing nothing.
sitting down. Winter weather advisory. The wind is gonna be
in the house.
the wind is gonna be so bad. Yeah, it's kind of bad.
It's nothing if we're walking, ain't it?
Yeah, oh yeah. We don't even have, you know, we're layered up a little bit, but we don't even have really thick stuff. And not too many layers, a few layers. Layers are always better. But yeah, this is like one of my favorite parts. It's all icy. I love running up and down this. There's this little field, and I can kind of see it. The wind's not blowing so bad. Let's see if she wipes out. Go ahead.
Oh, I'm going first.
Might as well.
Whoa, goodness.
Try not to die. It's pretty icy. No, I talked to Smack. I'll probably be the one to get broke.
You didn't even have to run like I did though.
No, I'm good. Now we're back. It's a little thicker in here. The wind won't be hitting us as hard for a few. But thanks for watching.
Thanks for subscribing.
Oh yeah, and like, comment, share. I don't know if any of you guys are out doing stuff like this just for fun after work on a Sunday. Gotta work 7 days a week. Gotta keep hustling, right? So
Yes.
even after that, we're still out here. But yeah, not too bad. Let us know what you think. Have a good day.